Hi, I'm Irene. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken pasta in AMC 20cm Super Deep. Firstly, I heat up the pan with Navigino setting 4. Temperature rise to mid-20. Put in the chopped onion. Yes, just leave it, okay? Put in the butter. Put in, fried the onion. This is what I put in. Today I prepare chicken, mushroom, pasta, and also the stock. Okay, so now I can show you. This is very nice onion, fried chicken. Chicken meat I marinated with black pepper and some light soya sauce. Okay, if you want to stir, you can stir a while. Mushroom. Okay, I like mushroom. You can put in any kind of mushroom. No stir also doesn't matter. I put in pasta. Okay, just put in. I add in some cheese. Okay, you can stir. This is the stock. I'm going to put in. Just cover will do. Using AMC Second Quick Cover. Okay, with the A setting. Turbo 1 minute. Turbo 1 minute. Using A auto setting, it will turn blue. See the light turning blue. Yeah, turning blue. This is auto setting. My pasta is done. Later I'll show you the. So now I open the vacuum quick cover. If you want to stir, you stir. And then I put in the mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to overbake. Okay. This is the overbake. See the result of this baked pasta. Wow, so nice. Well done.